Hey folks, it's Joseph of West Coast Mobile Auto Repair. Out here again today with the 2003 Audi A4 1.8 Turbo Quattro, aka the B6. We tore everything apart, put in this new 034 crankcase, breather, hose assembly, got rid of the broken T down there, put the intake back on, and we're going to do some checks before we wrap this up. Make sure that we have no more vacuum leaks. So what we did, pressurize the system. And we started hearing some hissing and some wind, some air blowing out. Started doing some checks, looking at all the vacuum lines. Couldn't find anything. And lo and behold, an injector O-ring is leaking, allowing air out as we pressurize the intake manifold. See there, it's bubbling. Good old soap and water. Such a small leak we couldn't see the smoke coming out of it, but we could definitely hear it. Sprayed some soap and water on there. Spray all of them. And the front. Next one down. The one that's leaking. And the one behind it. So we'll have to pull this fuel rail off, pull the injectors, replace both top and bottom O-ring, put it all back together, do another smoke test, make sure there's no other leaks going on in here, and then change these spark plugs, coils, get this thing going back on the road. Alright guys, well thanks for stopping by, checking out another video. Appreciate it. Give us a like, follow us. If you ever need any diagnostics, maintenance, or repairs, go ahead and message us on Facebook. Or you can text us at 951-224-3652. You can also give us a call. And till next time guys, stay safe and stay blessed.